Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss educational curriculum MCQs with answer. Question number 1. Curriculum is course, syllabus, co-curricular activities, overall activities of an institution. Correct answer is overall activities of an institution. Important factor of curriculum is to help to achieve the objectives, job, education, values. Correct answer is objective. Important factor of a curriculum is to achieve the objectives. Responsible for the curriculum planning development in Pakistan is curriculum wing, secondary board, text board, all of these. Correct answer is curriculum wing is responsible for the curriculum planning development in Pakistan. Meaning culture is home, content, curriculum, classroom. The correct answer is classroom. Classroom is like a mini culture. Which domain of objectives is not being evaluated through our present system of examination? Cognitive, affective, psychomotor, none of these. Correct answer is affective. Affective domain of objective is not being evaluated through our present system of examination. Which of the following is the nature of curriculum? Conservative, critical, creative, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Creative, critical, or conservative. All these are a nature of curriculum. Curriculum provides guidance for school, parents, teacher, students. The correct answer is students. Curriculum provides guidance for students. Psychological foundation play its role in the development of curriculum, keeping in view the student's interest, student needs, student capabilities, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Psychological foundation play its role in development of curriculum, viewing that students' interest, students' needs, student capabilities. Syllabus is a part of society, classroom, curriculum, activities. Correct answer is curriculum. Syllabus is a part of curriculum. Curriculum presents instructional material is stated by Smith. An outline of the topics of subject to be covered in specific time is called curriculum, course, program, syllabus. Correct answer is syllabus. Syllabus is the outline of topics of subjects to be covered in the specific time is called syllabus. Curriculum organizations used for different concepts at the same class is vertical, horizontal, logical, none of these. Correct answer is horizontal. The category of audio-visual aids is radio, television, tape recorder, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Radio, television, tape recorder, these all categories for audio-visual aids. Major concern of curriculum is personal satisfaction, change in individual behaviors, preparation for service, none of the above. Correct answer is change in individual behavior. The importance of curriculum in the system of education is just like a provision of latest knowledge.